Fix GCash app network connection problem. Hey guys, it's Lucy. Let's get to the video right away. Fix this problem. Go to settings. Search for apps. In apps, search for GCash. Once you go to the GCash option, click on mobile data. Here, if the background data uses is not turned on, turn it on. Otherwise, turn it on again. Go back and search for connections. Click on connections and go to mobile networks. Here, first go to access point names. Click the three dots and reset the APN settings. Once it's reset, go to network mode. Click on the first option. And that's it. After you complete all these steps, restart your mobile phone and your network connection problem is solved. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video.